Well, I received the concrete saw today, this afternoon, delivered by UPS. I unpack to make sure everything is present. Then I noticed that on the very end of the cable, as you can see right now over here, is some kind of a melted. When you look in the other side, you can tell how smooth supposed to load the cable. Now, I don't know, but I'm not very happy. I'm really sure that probably this item was sold to somebody and they returned it, but I don't really like the way it looked like. So I'm gonna try to see if that concrete saw is working. I don't know. I don't know. It smells like I don't know. It smells like something burning. I don't know. It's because it's new. So we'll see tomorrow when I use it. Okay? Now do not expect high stars from me. Even though these products are packed, they should be inspected before you send it. And that will avoid time and money. And again, this is one side of the cable, real smooth. Okay? See, if you look in there, see how close that is? It's like it was melted. Okay? So that's not good.
It's ready. Now I'm gonna press it. See? Nothing happened. Nothing happened. It doesn't move. There's no damage. Nowhere. It worked once only. That's it. You can see no damage. The machine had no damage. It works only once. Doesn't make any sound. Nothing. Doesn't trip the breaker.
Needed to cut a trench in some limestone. Was able to do it. The VEVOR document says you do about 2 inches at a time. I'm thinking you're probably going to need to do about 1. But you need more power. I had to pull out my generator because it was popping the breakers in the house, 20 amp breakers. I literally had to keep it running. Get a adapter. Get off the 30 amp.